Hey guys, time to do a unboxing video on a Sikky Manufactured product. I've been looking for a hydraulic e-brake for the Galant for a while. I want something that I can stage the car a little bit better. So I went ahead and ended up finding Sikky. I've been following them for a little bit, watching their products. It seems like they have awesome product. It's all made within house and everything is through them. So I figured I'd give it a shot. I saw some eBay ones for cheaper, but it just doesn't look as nice. It's not a clean look. It doesn't look as well built. So I figured out of all the e-brakes, I really think this is top quality here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is a mod that will be soon on the Galant. Soon put onto the Galant. So I'm excited to get that done. Comes with 2 boxes inside there. This is a very nice wilwood. Yeah, the wilwood master cylinder, I think it is. Pretty sure. So that's pretty nice that they send it with a nice, well put together product. Wilwood, everybody knows they're good stuff. And it just, I'm sure this is much larger than the eBay ones. So that's that. Now I went with a pullback style hydraulic handbrake with a black handle. The way I can see it is the hydraulic e-brake being installed towards my right side, on the other side, closest to the passenger, basically. Some nice Sikky stickers. Whoops, showed you guys the wrong way. And the larger sticker of theirs. Probably put one on my toolbox, maybe put one on my car, we'll see. They're nice enough to send me a coaster. Thank you, appreciate that. Put that guy to use. Now, the hydraulic e-brake. There it is, guys. Just look at that product. I think this is amazing. It's not a cheap eBay one. This is sturdy. This looks clean, it looks nice. I thought this was going to be a little higher. I thought it was going to be a little taller, but this should still work. So, yeah, I'm super excited to get this guy put on. The Sikky hydraulic pullback style e-brake. So, this, I'm hoping, will cut down my 60 foot and my 1/8 mile. If I could cut those two down, my 1/4 mile will drastically drop. The Galant has done 11.9 at 120 miles an hour, and I know that can get down. I have issues with my first and second gear. Hopefully this will help me off the line a lot harder, because I don't stage the car. I don't preload the suspension. I just slip off the clutch right before the green light, it's rolling forward just a tad, and then I let it go when the light goes. So this will help me drastically. So yeah, guys, if you guys need a hydraulic e-brake, avoid the eBay stuff, go to Sikky Manufactured. They're located, I can't remember where, they're somewhere in the US. Let's see. I can't remember, it's probably somewhere on the invoice, but they're in the US. And I don't know, I highly recommend this. This thing looks sweet. This looks sturdy, and I'm super excited to get this installed on the Galant. I'll save some info for the next video that I will do here shortly. But like, subscribe. I will post a link in the description box for Sikky. And I will post my grounding kit page down below if you guys are interested in a grounding kit that I do sell. But like, subscribe, share the video. Sikky hydraulic e-brake with the wilwood master cylinder. And like I said, guys, I plan on taking this to a friend to install it. And from there, we'll see what happens. But thanks again, guys. I will have more videos of the Galant very soon. Thank you.